Meaning of involvement.
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 Involvement. The term involvement generally refers to the state or condition of being actively engaged or participating in something. This can refer to a wide range of activities or situations, from personal relationships to political movements to business ventures. In general, involvement implies a sense of commitment, investment, or emotional connection to the thing or activity in question. It can also refer to the degree of influence or control that one has over a particular situation or outcome, as well as the degree to which one is affected by it.